what to do today. Perhaps I'll
Go outside and play.
Or stay indoors. Go watch TV.
Or take a ride.
Or clean the tree.
Or buy the bread. Or pick my nose. Or take a ride.
Or jump the road.
Or scratch my game. Or play a game. Or spell bed. Or catch a sheep. Or pet the cat. Or drink some milk. Or buy a hat. Or sing a song. Or read a book. Or change a socks. Or learn to cook. Or build a house. Or eat a pear. Or call my friends.
Or brush my hair.
Or hold my breath. Or have a rest. Or stand around.
Or slap my face.
I'm so confused and bored and blue to not know what I ought to do. I guess what I should just ask you, so what do you think I should do?
Bye.